Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Banco, Big Creek Road, Logan County. The name itself is interesting. Banco is an old Spanish term, means a bench or shelf of elevated ground. Whether someone named it after the landform or after their own name that happened to be Banco, I genuinely cannot tell you. Out here, the naming is usually about whoever got here first and stayed long enough to matter. The land took the name and kept it after the family scattered. I keep coming back to Logan County, and I do not have a clean reason for it. Big Creek Road is one of those haulers where the answer might be as simple as the road itself. Narrow, close in, the kind of country that makes you pay attention even when you are not trying to. There is no performance happening here. Nobody has dressed this place up. That is not a small thing. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.